So I finally set up a P.O. box so I can get deliveries. And the first order of business is a bird feeder. I read online that Stellar Jays like this kind of food. Ouch. One's going to be a bird feeder and one's going to be a bird bath. They come with like these cute little birdie thingies. Don't really know why, but they're cute. So I guess as I've gotten older and now that I live in a little forest, I'm obsessed with birds, and I have a Stellar Jay that likes to come visit me, and I feel like he might need a bath or he might need some food. So I'm gonna hook him up. Big time. Because that's what we do around here. We're gonna hook up birds. Because I'm a birder now. And I'm gonna do some bird watching from my living room. Because that's the simple things of life. Birds gotta eat. The birds gotta eat. Right, Charlie? Right. Oh, why won't this go on there? Oh, wrong way. There we go. So this is the bird feeder. It's a big guy because I want the birds to fit on it. Here we go. So we're gonna mount this, and we're gonna mount it on this hook. Like so. Like this. Okay, the bird's right there. The bird, we got a bird. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, it's working. Come back. Charlie, be quiet. We got birds, okay? We got birds, so don't chew that right now. There they are. He really wants to eat his dinner. Charlie, I said stop. You're gonna scare the birds. There he is. Come on, get your food. Eat. God, I didn't realize birding was so stressful. It's supposed to be relaxing. I want to get my first hit. I guess they don't want to eat. Charlie, you want to go on a walk? Let's go on a walk. We're going to go on a walk. Charlie, you are very hairy and you have hair all over your bed. All over. You just shedded all over your bed. Emily's also birding with me. Look at her. She's ready. She's ready for some birds. I feel like... Oh, I saw him. I saw the bird. Maybe we're gonna have a bird friend eating real soon. Eating a good supper. Come on, bird. Come on, bird. Pretty bird. Pretty, 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 pretty bird. Oh my god, it's coming. Oh my god. Okay, it's actually coming. The bird is actually coming.